Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Motivation alone is not enough. If you have an idiot and you motivate him, now you have a motivated idiot. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. And guess what they have planned for you? Not much. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future. It is something you design for the present. Learn how to be happy with what you have while you pursue all that you want. Poor people have big TVs. Rich people have big libraries. When you know what you want, and you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to get it. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Don't let your learning lead to knowledge. Let your learning lead to action. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Success is something you attract by the person you become. If you don't like how things are, change it. You are not a tree. Profits are better than wages. Wages make you a living. Profits make you a fortune. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Miss a meal if you have to, but don't miss a book. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better.